Look down at your feet for a second. The invisible force gluing you to the ground right now is the exact same fundamental law of nature that violently holds entire galaxies and stars together across the universe. In the previous video, we talked about how we engineered artificial intelligence that can learn on its own. Today, even though our technology has reached unimaginable heights, the billions of tons of carbon dioxide we released by burning fossil fuels over the last 200 years have pushed Earth's temperature completely out of control. Glaciers are melting, and the ancient forests that once gave us oxygen are burning to ash. Because of this extreme environmental collapse, physically escaping Earth and building a backup colony on Mars has become an absolute biological necessity for human survival. But escaping Earth is not easy. To do it, humanity has to physically defeat the massive pulling force of Earth's gravity. Most people completely misunderstand how a rocket works. They think the flames push against the ground or the air to lift off. That is completely false. In the vacuum of space, there is absolutely no air to push against. The true scientific process relies entirely on Sir Isaac Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Inside a rocket's engine, liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen are violently mixed and ignited, creating a massive continuous explosion. The rapidly expanding gas from this explosion is forced out of a tiny bell-shaped nozzle at the bottom. As millions of pounds of exhaust gas are violently shot downwards at supersonic speeds, the physical force of that mass leaving generates an exact equal force pushing the massive metal rocket in the opposite direction, upwards. To permanently rip through Earth's invisible gravitational net and reach deep space, this continuous controlled explosion must push the rocket to a terrifying speed of exactly 25,000 miles per hour. Scientists call this the escape velocity. In the next video, we will talk about how, even if humanity conquers space, in exactly 5 billion years, our sun will run out of its internal hydrogen fuel, triggering a devastating astrophysical process where the sun expands into a red giant star and physically swallows the Earth whole.